Your desk is where your biggest ideas come to life, but a cluttered, poorly lit workspace is a productivity killer. Today, we are looking at 5 essential upgrades that turn your chaotic home office into a high-performance command center. These tools eliminate distractions and help you reclaim your focus. Let's start. Number 1. Multifunctional LED desk lamp with wireless charger. Managing multiple cables for your phone, watch, and lamp creates a messy workspace that drains your mental energy. Most people struggle with tangled cords and dead batteries right when they need to be productive. This multifunctional LED lamp solves that by integrating a wireless charger, a USB port, and a digital clock into one sleek unit. It features eye-carrying technology that reduces strain during late-night study sessions. It gives you the peace of mind of a clean, organized desk and a fully charged device. If this sounds useful to you, the link is in the description below. Number 2. Canupdog 15.6-inch Digital Calendar and Planner. Missing family appointments or forgetting daily chores leads to unnecessary household stress and arguments. Traditional paper calendars are hard to update and easy to ignore. The Canupdog Digital Calendar changes the game with a massive 1080p touchscreen that syncs your entire family's schedule in real time. It features a task reward system that turns chores into a game for kids. It is the relief of finally having your entire life organized on one interactive display. If this sounds useful to you, the link is in the description below. Number 3. Kitsure Desk Organizer with Drawer. A disorganized desk is the fastest way to lose focus and waste time searching for a simple pen or paperclip. Without a proper storage system, your office supplies end up scattered, making your work area feel cramped and stressful. The Kitsure Organizer provides a vertical storage solution with a dedicated drawer and pen holder. It clears your desk surface instantly, allowing you to breathe and think clearly. It is the satisfaction of having a professional, tidy workspace that inspires you to get things done. If this sounds useful to you, the link is in the description below. Number 4. LED Desk Lamp with color-changing nightlight. Standard office lighting is often too harsh for the evening but too dim for serious work. Students and professionals often suffer from eye fatigue because their light doesn't adapt to their needs. This LED study lamp features a built-in clock and a base that changes colors to match your mood. It combines high-quality task lighting with a soothing nightlight and a pen holder to maximize utility. It provides the comfort of a personalized environment that transitions perfectly from work to relaxation. If this sounds useful to you, the link is in the description below. Number 5. Rossetta Galaxy Projector with Bluetooth speaker. The biggest obstacle to peak performance is the inability to truly unplug and decompress at the end of the day. Without a way to reset your environment, the stress of work follows you into your sleep. The Rossetta Projector transforms any room into a breathtaking galaxy with 60 different themes and high-definition visuals. It includes a built-in Bluetooth speaker to pair immersive sights with your favorite ambient sounds. It is the ultimate luxury of escaping the world and finding total tranquility in your own home. If this sounds useful to you, the link is in the description below. All product links are in the description below. Check it now. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and check the description for all product links.